What's up guys, I'm Sean. Welcome back to Fix My Home channel. We received this package. This package is for the antenna we're gonna install on our TV. So we have everything on this, so we don't need the cable anymore. So you see all the channel we're gonna get. So very good. Let's go install it. So this is what you get inside the package. We're gonna open the package. Alright, so what we have here, the charger. So we're gonna install this here in one of our Airbnb, right here behind this TV. So let's see. So it comes with is like a flash. So you just plug in here, you plug in this to the outlet. You have a selfie stick, that's a good thing, so you can stick it to the window or something. So we're gonna plug this behind the TV and plug this to the electrical outlet. That's it. That's simple. Alright, I just take this out, take this here. I'm gonna unwrap this. So this is one. As you see, is searching, is already found it an 18 digital channel. So we're gonna see how many channels we're gonna find at the end. And I just put this on the, as you see, I just put this here. I don't even stick it. So there you go, the channel will start working. And this one, I'm gonna put it on the wall right here. So it's better to put it over there by the window, but I don't want any wire here, so I'm gonna put it right there, so behind the TV. But it's still working, so it should be fine. Alright, so there I use a double side tape. There's a double side tape. Let me grab the double side tape here, and I stick one here and one here. Ooh. There you go. I install it in the back and everything is working. So it's something pretty good, so I like it. So if you wanna purchase it, I'll put the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Make sure subscribe to the channel. I will show you how to fix your home by yourself without paying anyone. Have a great day.